Welcome to this video on Gemini Moon Sign, also known as Mithuna Rashi in Vedic astrology. Gemini Moon individuals are known for their lively, curious, and communicative personalities. Ruled by Mercury, the planet of intellect and communication, they thrive on learning, sharing ideas, and adapting to new experiences. One defining trait of Gemini Moon people is their curiosity. They have a natural love for learning and enjoy exploring diverse subjects. Their ability to absorb and articulate information makes them excellent conversationalists. But their tendency to shift interests quickly can sometimes make them seem inconsistent. Gemini Moon individuals are highly sociable and value mental stimulation. They thrive in dynamic environments where they can engage with people and ideas. However, their restless nature can sometimes lead to difficulty in committing to long-term endeavors. In relationships, Gemini Moon people are playful, charming, and versatile. They value intellectual connections and look for partners who can engage them in meaningful conversations. While they are affectionate and expressive, their need for variety can sometimes create challenges in maintaining emotional stability. Family life for Gemini Moon natives is often lively and filled with activity. They enjoy engaging in discussions and debates with family members, often serving as the communicative bridge within the household. Their mothers often influence their intellectual and communicative development. Physically, Gemini Moon individuals often have an expressive and youthful appearance. Their animated gestures and sparkling eyes reflect their vibrant and curious nature, making them captivating to those around them. When faced with challenges, Gemini Moon people rely on their adaptability and wit. They approach problems with a logical and quick-thinking mindset, often finding creative solutions. Their life motto is, "Stay curious and keep evolving." In summary, Gemini Moon individuals are lively, adaptable, and intellectually driven. Their ability to connect with others and embrace change makes them truly dynamic. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other moon signs.